Hello everybody, this is Helga and let's study English together. In today's video I will teach you how to upgrade your B2 writing, and the level is of course B2. Let's start. This is a very good essay, it's a very nice intermediate level. The question was, what was the family pattern like a century ago? I will give you a little time, please also stop the video and read it carefully, and then we're going to upgrade this essay together. Let's upgrade this essay now together. Let's start. A century ago, family patterns were quite different from today. It's a very good sentence, but let's upgrade. A century ago, family structures were significantly different compared to today's more modern arrangements. Next one. Most families had more children and the household was typically large. Let's upgrade. Listen and repeat. Families tended to be larger, with many households consisting of several children, often spanning multiple generations. Let's see the next one. Fathers were often the primary breadwinners, working outside the home, while mothers took care of the house and children. Let's upgrade. The father typically held the role of the main provider, working outside the home, while the mother was largely responsible for managing the household and raising the children. Let's see the next one. The roles of family members were clearly defined and the father's authority was respected. Let's upgrade. These roles were rigidly defined and the father's authority within the family was rarely questioned. Next one. People lived in extended families, meaning grandparents, uncles and aunts often lived in the same household. Let's upgrade. Extended families with relatives such as grandparents and uncles living together or close by were the norm. Marriage was often seen as a lifelong commitment and divorce was less common. Let's upgrade. Marriage was generally regarded as a permanent institution, and divorce was far less common and socially accepted. Next sentence. Education wasn't as widely available for all children, especially for girls. Educational opportunities were more limited, especially for girls. And it wasn't unusual for them to receive little formal schooling. Next one. People lived in closer-knit communities where everyone knew each other. Let's upgrade. Communities were tight-knit and social connections played a crucial role in daily life, with people often depending on one another for support. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, please subscribe to my channel and like this lesson. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.